Çiçek.
O da yak demin bu.
Play?
Play? Play?
Yes, okay.
Okay.
Go.
You have money?
Please,
Please money.
Okay, okay, okay.
You two want to ride together? Mom, I'm so tired. So Hi.
Raja.
Hey!
Oh, go ahead, go ahead. It's okay.
Oh, I can go. Go look under the bench. I see it. Hurry, run. Run, run, run. Get on the train. Back there, I see it. This way. Lucky? Are you sure you have lucky? lucky. 자, 어때, 하이자?
That's where the crooked man lives. Was the crooked man, was the crooked man.
Ayan.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Look at what I have!
How grateful to him, the mean ogre of my homeland, Happy Valley, almost kept me from delivering this music box and the special magic key. Well, enjoy the music. I'll be the same.
I'm up here, behind you with the sky. I'm Mama Goose. Are you having fun today? Well, wait a moment. I have a feet on my flower thrones below me. Then I will tell you a few of my favorite nursery rhymes.
Wow. See?
Hello, I'm Beatrice Potter. Come and listen as I tell you all about the adventures of my animal friends.
Animal Center.
Hidden among the trees is Peter Rabbit Den, where many of my forest friends live.
Yes.
Adults stumble upon this magic place by accident.
Haha.
However, all children know of Peter's secret entrance.
So I see you in my garden, Peter Rabbit. You can't get away this time.
Whoops.
Where did he go?
Yes.
Hi, my name is Pinocchio. What's yours? I'm so lucky. I live in Geppetto's workshop. One day, I'm going to be a real boy and not just a puppet.
Pinocchio! It's time to go to school.
Oh, what for?
Wow.
I'd rather play all
Good boy.
Good.
Oh, Phoenix water. You think of a thought. Your wish can come true. It happens a lot.
No.